Hi, good morning. Welcome to the ERI Baden facility. My name is Adam Ellis, and I'm the plant manager here. I started my career with ERI back in 2009. I started our corporate office in Fresno, California. From there, I moved to our Colorado facility, and I ran the Denver location for 2 years. And then I arrived in Baden in August of 2011. A little bit more about me. My background is mostly in management. I have a business degree from Fresno State with an emphasis in management. While I was attending Fresno State and shortly after I graduated, I was working at Enterprise Rent-A-Car. I was going through their management trainee program. I started as an intern and I made my way up to assistant manager. I managed up to between 4 and 10 employees and up to 300 cars, depending on which branch I was at. And a little bit more about the facility here in Baden. We have 176,000 square feet. We have 18 docks, 2 of which are in asset management for secure shipping and receiving. We have 66 employees. We operate on 2 shifts. Our first shift starts at 6 a.m. and goes from 6 to 2:30. And our second shift starts at 3 p.m. and goes from 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Our current processes right now are shipping and receiving, sorting, hand dismantling, baling, and asset management. And today I'm going to walk you through those processes so you can see what we do here. So let's go ahead and get started with it. All right, today we are going to start in asset management. Our asset management department is an authorized personnel only area, accessible by card reader. Let's see here. One great thing about our asset management department, it's not just a cage in the warehouse. It's in a climate controlled environment. That way it's more conducive for testing. We have 6,000 square feet here. And how it works here is items first come to our registration station. They are registered and they get a unique asset ID number and barcode. From there they can go through our quality control and testing process. They will go to our bulk sales testing station. Mostly what we get here are laptops, LCD monitors, and desktops. If there are any parts that are harvested from the materials from the computers, we can send them over here to our internal component testing station. This is where we have the ability to test the RAM and the CPUs that we harvest out of the computers. We also have the ability to wipe hard drives on site here. If for any reason the hard drives were to fail the wiping process or fall below our tech cut line, we can shred those hard drives. And I'll show you our hard drive shredder on the way out of asset management. One more thing to note here in asset management, those are the 2 secure docks that we have for shipping and receiving, which I mentioned. The dock over here to my right is dock 7. That is for Verizon. That's the way, that way we can keep their material free from commingling with any of our other clients' material. All right, well that's asset management here in Baden. Let's go ahead and take a look in the warehouse. Here is our hard drive shredder. And here's some hard drives that are in queue to be shredded. Our hard drive shredder started off in Fresno, California, and it went to Indiana, and then here in Baden. It arrived here in February of this year. It's been great for us that now it gives us the ability to shred hard drives on site rather than sending them to another site to be shredded, so we can give our clients the assured destruction of their material happens right here in North Carolina. Next, we're going to look at our sorting process. The first sorting process we're going to look at is our reuse and recycle sorting line. This is where we are sorting through our staples loads. Currently, we're getting about 120,000 pounds of staples material per week. Over here, we're going to take a look at some of our shipping and receiving processes. These are the primary 10 docks that we're using here, docks 9 through 18. Right now, we are receiving on average about 1.5 million pounds of material per month, but we are growing very fast. Last month, we received 1.7 million pounds of material, and this month, we're on pace to receive over 2 million pounds of material. New best. So we're growing, and every month is better than the last. So things are going great here. Next, we're going to look at our general client sorting area. This is where we sort our Salvation Army loads, our Goodwill loads, and the loads we get from the various counties that we deal with in North Carolina and throughout the Southeast. Very similar to our reuse and recycle sorting line. All we're doing is taking the ink and toner out of the items, taking batteries out. That way when we ship them to Plainfield, Indiana, they are ready to be shredded immediately as soon as they arrive. Next, we're going to go through our hand dismantling process. We currently have 16 CRT dismantlers, 5 computer dismantlers, 3 LCD dismantlers and 2 no-shred e-waste dismantlers. Our CRT dismantlers goal per day is 5,500 pounds. Our LCD dismantlers, their goal is 800 to 2,000 pounds of material, depending on what they're doing. Our computer dismantlers, their goal is 3,500 pounds of material. And our no-shred e-waste dismantlers, depending on what they're doing, their goal is between 1,500 and 2,500 pounds of material. Over here, you can kind of see some of the products that they're generating at that station there. Lots of white plastic. They got some TVs in Q to be dismantled. They're just using a hammer and a drill to take everything down to commodity level. From here, once things are hand dismantled, they go to our baling process, which is where we will walk to next. We are currently baling about 240,000 pounds of plastic per month, 105,000 pounds of copper, and 80,000 pounds of low-grade circuit boards. Those low-grade circuit boards get sent to Indianapolis, to our plant in Plainfield actually. That way they can be shredded down. As you can see, we have 3 machines here. 2 of them are the vertical balers. We have the 1 horizontal baler. We are putting out about 20 bales per day between the 2 shifts. Once items are baled, the finished goods will come over here to this area, to our finished goods staging area. You can see some of our plastic product here that's in queue to be shipped. We'll take a look around the corner and show you some of our other commodities. Here's a good view of some of our copper bales, some of our cardboard, and some of our aluminum. All right. Well, that is the ERI operation present day. As I mentioned earlier, we're growing and we're growing at a great pace. In the next 12 months, we're looking to add a shredder and a glass cleaning machine to this site. We're very excited about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our tour, and I hope you guys have a great meeting. I look forward to meeting you guys in the future and hopefully giving you a tour in person. You guys have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye.